In this video, we'll look at how to install the TennisTrkr tennis score tracking app on your Wear OS smartwatch. You can install the app either by using your connected Android phone or from the watch. To purchase and install the app from your phone, go to the TennisTrkr website, TennisTrkr.com. Then tap the Google Play link, or use the link in the video description. At the TennisTrkr page in the Google Play Store, scroll down to the Available on More Devices section. Tap the Purchase button to purchase the app. Complete the purchase process. Once you complete the purchase process, the app should now install on your connected smartwatch. You can also start the purchase and installation process for TennisTrkr right on your watch. On your Wear OS smartwatch, go to the Apps drawer and select Play Store. From here, tap the search icon and search for TennisTrkr. Find the TennisTrkr app and tap the Purchase button. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the purchase process. Once you complete the purchase process, the app should now install on your watch.